Okay, so to further explain this on what's more efficient, if this cabinet is triangular shaped, adjustable shelves inside, it is, here's the depth, almost 17 inches. This cabinet is 24 inches deep, or 23 and 7/8. Drawer and a door below it, and this is just a door. So if we make this one square, where there's a drawer on top, it is 14 3/4 deep, and then this cabinet has to be triangular shaped, but it's tiny. Very small. I mean, you've got 8 inches of depth and 0 on this side. Triangular shaped, and this one is square. This one's square, but this one's triangular shaped. So this setup is more efficient.